What's going on, guys? So welcome back to another video on Just Kidding Kid channel. As you guys know, I got my 240 back and it's filthy right now, but you'll see in a second. But having stock body with dope wheels looks all right, but I really want to throw in this kit. I did want to sell my Duraflex kit to get KBD because like my front driveway, leaving that front driveway is gonna tear the Duraflex kit apart. Yeah, but anyways, what I was thinking is that I should just keep it and run it because a friend of mine, Eric, said I should just keep it. The kit isn't that expensive and I can always just get a KBD kit. So I want to throw it on. One thing that I know I have to do 100% is bolt in the fenders on the side of the car towards the bottom, throw a bolt in driver's side, passenger side, and then I'll be able to throw the skirts on. I might have to self-tap it instead of like another way, because of the way that it is. I don't really want to, because I don't really want the bolts to be sticking out like that, but that might be my best bet. Anyways, front bumper is being held on by zip ties, drift life as it is. So yeah, but I did get some parts from what is it, Auto Collect Storm is a company that makes the fender brackets, and they also make like these brackets that hold up your bumper so it looks aligned. And I'm going to be installing them in this video. Don't know if it's going to be today or whenever, or the same day the video is going to go out, but I'm going to try to see what I can do, what I can get accomplished, because it is cold, like it's brick. So yeah, let's just get started. These are the fender brackets and these are the brackets for the bumper. So this bolts in where it's supposed to for the front fender. If you know what a hatch fender looks like, they're supposed to bolt in right near the headlights, and these two you have to drill out. Ooh, it's cold. But yeah, these are what the parts that look like. This aluminum, this steel, they really feel like it's good quality. So I'm gonna have to pop the hood and see if I can cut all the zip ties. See if I can cut all the zip ties. Good thing about these parts is also that they come with their own hardware, so I don't have to go out and find the thread pitch. So we're gonna try to see if we can get these installed as soon as possible. So this just bolts up to the stock location up right there and right here on the fender at this hole. So right there. That's how it'll look when it's done. Before the brackets for the fenders, the fender used to be in a little bit more, so it was difficult for the wheel to clear, but as you can see there's space, so when the wheel turns it clears completely. Yeah, so that's basically it. For the fender, I do need to grab a bolt for right down there and down there on the other side, so I'd be able to do the side skirts. As for the black parts that I got for the bumper, I have to drill holes, so I have to remove this from there, and I have to remove it on the other side so I can get it bolted up. Like I said, it is cold, and I do have something else in the works. These are what the black brackets look like when they're bolted in. I don't have the other two bolts in because, like I told you, I need to mark it and then drill it. But I'm gonna try and see if I can flip the car around and put the front bumper on, the Duraflex bumper. I do need to trim it a lot, like around this edge on the bumper, in order for it to fit, but yeah. That bumper went on, man. It went on so easy. Oh man. And it looks so good. I can't wait to throw the skirts on. So I have to get hardware for the fenders, and then I'll be able to throw the skirts on. I'm probably gonna use the holes that was for the lining on the fender to zip tie it together, and I'll have to make holes for the rear quarter. But look at this, man. This looks so nice. All right, let me close the hood to see. Yo, this looks crazy. Can you believe this is my car, man? Yo. This is legit insane. I am so fucking happy right now. Alright, so now it is the next day. I've been trying to fit this body kit a little better. I got the side skirts on. Like I told you, I was going to self-tap them because I don't really care about it being perfect. I just want it to be on there. So I self-tapped them. As for the front bumper, I trimmed it a little bit, but now there's so much space in between the fender and the bumper itself. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So this is what Jasmine looks like right now.
Oh, would you look at this?
This looks sick.
I mean, just look at it. Yeah.
Like I said, it's not 100% perfect. When you're standing back here, you can't really notice a lot of the stuff. So let me just show you. So in between the fender and the bumper, you see that gap, but it's even crazier on this side. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. That I didn't cut, but yeah, so I did have to cut the side skirts because they did not fit that well. So you can tell behind the wheel right here, I had to cut it in order for it to fit. Same thing for the back. I'm gonna do that for the other side, self-tap it in, and then I'm gonna try to get an inspection on the other side of the island. I do have to remember to put my plate on the outside because I keep forgetting that I have it on the intercooler, and police keep trying to pull me over because of it. So I just have to remember to make sure I mount that on the outside before I head over there. The side skirts, the thing that's holding up the black pieces that I told you about yesterday, they're holding up the front bumper right now, and it's actually really sturdy. I was just trying to take it off, and I was like, yo, what the hell, why is this not coming off? And that was the reason for it. So it's actually a lot sturdier than it looks, and it's holding a bumper on. I just gotta see what the process to getting out of the driveway is gonna be like. Alright, so this is how the kit looks finished. I self-tapped the screws into the fender and into right behind the door. I don't know what that's called. Only because the kit didn't really line up like it was supposed to. So the edges, if the edges wrapped around both the fender and this rear right here by the wheel, then we would have been good, because I could have just drilled a hole and then use zip ties to keep it up, but it didn't. So unfortunately, that's what I had to do. My rear diffuser isn't on, yet. It started snowing and they threw salt on the ground, so whenever I drove it last will be the last time that I'm gonna drive it, unless it's back here in this driveway without any snow. But yeah, I self-tapped my front bumper too. Don't really care that much. What else? Yeah, I mean, there's not much more I can say on it. I gotta get some Rotella and a new oil filter to do the oil change, and that's basically it. I have to hold off on the oil change for a little while because someone broke my jack. I don't know how they broke it or who broke it, but someone broke it, so I gotta see if I could get another one. But this is how the car looks right now. I know it's a bit dark. Hopefully I could edit it in the video, so if you'd seen it light, then it's good, or I just post a picture. But the car looks really good. I can't even believe this is my car. Like, even though like headlights are white, the roof is like gray, the car is red, the hatch is dark gray, the front bumper and side skirts are black, the wheels are gunmetal gray. I just love the way it looks. Like, even with these Mint Max colors, it looks really good. So I'm definitely a proud owner of a drift car now. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can do like a parts list or whatever video for you guys, so you know how much I spent on it. Or unless everybody does that and you don't want to see that, just let me know in the comments. If you made it this far in this video, you're OG. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a good one.
This is why I can't stand this driveway, yo. I try to drive in, damage. Damaged it so much. Look how high I pushed it up. This is not even on below the fender anymore. That's where it's supposed to be.